Mana nga sa tatay.
Mel and Joey would like to thank the following: Sanyo, Nikon Appliances, Active White, Zenzest, Sara Med, Fry and Pop, Lily's Peanut Butter, Aquabest, Zagu, Waffle Time, Brazilian Agaricus Coffee, Marriott Hotel. Miss Mel Chanko would like to thank the following: Revlon, Ever Department Store, Ideal Vision, Leoptic Paris, Mariluz Jewelry, Janelyn Shoes, Jessie Mendez, Doktora Isabel Nasal of Klinika Dermatologica.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga bisita, pati na rin sa ating studio. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ito na yung ating thought for tonight, our EFT. Mula kay John D. Rockefeller. Ang sabi niya, ganito, parts makinig ka, think of giving, not as a duty, but a privilege.
Napakaganda niyan, Mr.
Ganda,
Rockefeller. Okay. Ang sabi niya, ituring natin na ang pagbibigay ay hindi isang tungkulin, kundi isang napakaganda at pambihirang pagkakataon.
Yeah.
Pero maganda sa lahat
Very
dyan,
nice yan.
kahit anong panahon, maging biyaya tayo para sa ibang tao. Always be a blessing to others.
And always try to see the good in everyone.
See you next week dito sa show na favorite yung kakwentuhan tuwing linggo ng gabi at kung saan... sa Mel and Joey. Thank you. Good night, everybody.